Ginek mar jaod bura ma Kasipul ochwale doho ma JKIA okinyi ma kawuono. Achije go gin Alan Ogola, ma en jachiw arita mar mosenindo Ong'ondo Were, Walter Owino, ma en dereva mar Were, Ebel Ochieng' mong'ere kaka Dave Kalo, ma en director mar Lake Basin Authority, Dennis Sewe Manyasi kod Edwin Oduor Odhiambo. Kata kamano, Philip Aroko, ma bende apisas mag okwach kich nyo wacho ni itimone nonro ewi nek makamano to ne ok ochwal e nyim doho. Gino mokinde mage wacho ni dhi ataro mar chik. Watudre ne achiel kachiel gi Efi Nyakidi ka entiere e dho doho mar JKIA mondo nyiswa ni to chal nade. Efi, nyalo nyiswa ni to nyaka sani ang'o manyalo bedo ni timore e alworano? Wawinjane madhi nyime.
It's paragraph 62. I can't see the pages at the bottom or at the top, but at paragraph 62, this is the citing of the case of the Union Bank of the Philippines and Desi Thomas versus people of the Philippines, that says that the reason for this rule, that is the rule to try and hear any case within a proper territorial jurisdiction, the reason is first, that the jurisdiction of the trial court is limited to well-defined territories, such as a trial court can only hear and try cases involving crimes committed within its territorial jurisdiction. Second, laying the venue in the locus criminis is grounded on the necessity and justice of having an accused on trial in the municipality of province where witnesses and other facilities for his defense are available. Your Honor, I wish this court not take so much mind as to the semantics of the accused person.
Municipality of province.
Yes, Your Honor, but Your Honor, we know that this is a case in the Philippines, so they use different terms as we use. They use different terms. Yes, that's why Your Honor, I've said, I hope this court let it not delve into the semantics of that particular sentence or that particular paragraph. Yes, Your Honor. But even as we look at the authority, let us look at what it says. And Your Honor, this court is allowed to adopt it with the necessary modifications. So much so that if a municipality in the Philippines translates to Nairobi County, here we have Kibra Sub-County, Starehe, and very many others. So, Your Honor, I'm asking this honorable court to reject that mischievous invitation by the DPP, because in essence, yes? Yes, mischievous invitation by the DPP and the DCI to allow what they are doing here today. Because, Your Honor, the next thing, nothing will stop the DCI from arresting someone who is in Mombasa of a crime happening in Nyali and arraigning them in Kisumu.
Nairobi is Nyali.
It's Nyali, I'm saying Nyali. And Your Honor, I'd wish, as I sit down, to employ